huh, 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 huh. Shoot, jump, ooh! Brick house. What's up?
My dogs. Yeah. What?
What's that? Boy, it's been raining for the past God knows how long. To see this sun and no rain, beautiful. Now hopefully you guys can see the sparkly johns in the paint. You probably can't. Maybe. I don't know. Hopefully you can. Can you see the sparkly johns in the paint? You probably can't. It's kind of hard to see it on camera, but in person you can see it. You can definitely see it in person, but I don't know. On my display screen, I don't think you can see it, but maybe you can. Speaking of the RSX, we're actually going to be working on it today. Maybe, I don't know. Let me not get ahead of myself. Pause. Let me not get forward of my. That makes sense. I received a package from MPC, and it's gonna be. It is nice. It's very nice. Aside from the RSX, the Integra needs to go back on pump gas. We have a track of it approaching us very soon, and I don't trust driving this car to bum luck Egypt without knowing there is an E85 station. So what I'm gonna do, Javi already sent me over my 93 tune. I'm gonna load up the 93 tune, and hopefully the car doesn't drive like doo-doo cheeks. So that's gonna be the goal of today, is getting the new part for the RSX on and getting the Integra on pump gas. Should be super today. You see that logo, you already know what the beat is, Playboy. You already know, fam. I didn't unbox it yet, but this right here is the lower tie bar for the rear subframe brace for Nami, the RSX that Neil Armstrong could have probably seen. Yep, should be an easy install. 2 bolts. And the ice machine itself. Woo! Look at the ice. Look at the ice. Look at the ice.
Ice, ice, ice. Yeah.
This is a newly released product from MPC. This is the lower tie bar. And this thing is
Ice, ice, ice. Yeah.
icy. We got 2 bolts, 2 spacers, and our tie bar, and I know a lot of Nami is hot. But we gonna install this bad girl right now. Chooky. I spent like the last 15 minutes cleaning up with the wire wheel. It was a lot of overspray back here, but it's cleaned up the best of my abilities. I don't have nothing small to get in those nicks and crannies, you know what I mean? But all in all, it's a fairly simple process to install. So this bar right here, the lower tie bar goes just like this. Ba-dow, and you're done. Just that simple. I don't know why, but I always feel like I'm gonna mess something up right now. I just feel it. Something just tells me I'm about to mess something up. So I'm gonna send it. Let's send it. Well, I'm completely soaked, but install complete. You know what? I'm gonna do a cinematography in the rain. That should be fire. Hopefully I don't destroy the camera. Every time. Just got out the shower. Come outside. Sunny outside. No more rain. And as always, if that product that you just seen me install interests you, head over to MPCMotorsports.com. Use discount code ZOSH for 10% off your order. And pick up some suspension products for your whip. Woo, 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 woo. So, we're on our way to Fred's house. That's it, really. I hope I don't mess up my car, dog. I think I'm gonna run richer, though. I think when you go from E to pump gas, your car runs hella rich to make up for the ethanol, so... And Fred lives pretty damn far from a gas station, so... Man. And you don't know what you do. You're just looking for someone to make you move. Ooh, tell me. Touchdown safely at Freddie Bun Bread's house. Look how fast this guy is, bro. Look how fast Fred is, dog. One day, bro. You know, motivation, dog. I can't believe I had to beat him so bad. He had to go boost. Like, my bad. I ain't mean to beat you so bad that, you know, you had to go boost.
Yo, dog, if it's like you're talking, you know, beat me.
Oh.
Lava.
Yeah, that's true. I don't beat man. All right, so I got my tune downloaded that I needed. Now it's time to file, reopen, Percy K24. God damn, I don't know which one it was. Shit. I'm gonna have to download it. I'll be right back. All right, so I uploaded my pump gas tune. And yeah, that's definitely it. Reading 17s. Sheesh. Don't sound too bad. But I do have a check engine light. So let's see what this be about.
Say hi.
Yeah, that sounds about right now.
Say hi. No? Okay. Got you.
So my check engine light was for my flex fuel sensor. I had to disable it, and this is what I get. So I don't know, my sensor may be working, maybe not. I don't know. I still had a code for it. As you guys can see there, you probably can't read. Fuel compensation sensor mouth, blah, 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 blah. So yeah, I don't know, pimp. Hopefully I can make it to the gas station, fill this thing up with some pump, and we should be good. Yeah, this is not happening. Nope, not doing it. I ain't finna blow this motor. Nope, 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 nope. Now we talking, baby. Reading 15s. I had to re-enable it, and I think I still got a check engine light. I don't know if that's valid right now, but we're on our way to the gas station to put nothing but 93 in here. So hopefully that fixes everything, and I'm back on the road golden. I hope. Damn, I only put 6 gallons in? Oh, God, I spent 93 years, bitch.
Yeah, I would have been 10 gallons right now.
Duh. It's reading a little lean. Well, idle's at 17. I just gotta maybe add some, like adjust the fuel trim a little bit. But all in all, I'm back on pump gas. Just gotta probably adjust the fuel trim and then it'll fix itself. I don't know. But like cruising, not bad, 14s. That's cruising right there, 16s. And cruising, yeah, I just gotta probably just up the fuel trim by like 20% and I should probably be good, or maybe 15%. But I can't do none of that until I get home, so yeah. Gonna take the car home, get the RSX, and then meet ready at the gym, and then close out this video. Back home. It is time to close out this video, and what way to close out this video than to gloat about something that you probably don't have right now. Yep, I'm that guy. Hey, do the honors, my dudes. Over there, man. What that is, right? Ooh! Yeah. Gang, gang, gang. You only get 2 slices because you ain't put in. Chabo. That pizza bustin', ain't it? I know. Big Apple pizza always slap. I used to be a fan of Domino's, but
Pizza Hut.
nah, Pizza Hut don't slap like it used to. Pizza Hut used to slap.
Nothing else slap like we used to.
That's big facts. I don't slap like I used to. Hey, what you doing?
Boy, I'm hungry.
I don't know what it is. It's just something about cheese pizza, bro. I used to be a big fan of only just pepperoni. And then jalapeno and chicken. But cheese? Bro, a good cheese pizza dominates all. Facts. Super facts. Jay-Z.
Super facts.
Facts. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy the video, leave a like on the video. Hold on. If you did not like the video, then leave a dislike on the video. As always, I don't give a Oh shit, I got vacuum. Be sure to click the links down below for discounts and MPC. And follow me on YouTube. No, Instagram. If you love me enough to spend some money on me, subscribe to my ZoshMG.com. Not OnlyFans. I don't have that. That's for females. Cause females, you know what? I want to date a girl that has an OnlyFans so I can exploit her. What? Yeah, alright. I'm out. Peace.